Principal and interest. Principal is the amount that the loan was originally taken out for. If you compare the original amount of the loan compared to the amount of interest that will occur by the end of the loan, it might make a person not want to finance anything ever again. Interest is the amount of money that is added to the loan the longer a person has a loan out. Some loans give a person penalties for paying off a loan early. I originally financed my car in 2013 for 6 years. The sticker price was about $15,000, and I ended up paying almost $25,000 in interest for my car. If I would have paid off the car early, I would have had $1,000 penalty for paying the car off early. This was all pre-Dave Ramsey. How credit's not working for you. Keeping a person in debt. Giving a person I love debt score, credit score. Millionaires are millionaires because they do what rich people do by being intentional with money. I love debt score, credit score. The I love debt score is based on being in debt. They just try to hide it behind the word credit. A perfect credit score is the same as having a zero credit score. The only difference is that if a person is getting a personal residence, a person would have to find a loan officer who knew how to actually do underwriting. Only people who care about a credit score are creditors and people who love being in debt. Type of insurance needed. Life insurance protects a person's family in case anything happens to that person. Health insurance, to use for unseen health issues. Homeowners, renters insurance to protect homes and belongings in case of robbery or house catching on fire. Car insurance, protect in case of a car accident. Umbrella insurance policy, after a person's net worth is over $1,000. Insurance as an investment. Never. Insurance should never be used as an investment. Insurance is meant as a tool to protect in case of an accident or tragedy happening in a person's life. Insurance is meant to protect a person till they have enough investments to cover accidents or tragedies. Insurance to avoid. The number one insurance to avoid would be whole life insurance. Whole life insurance is more of a person's money goes to the insurance company rather than the family. Short-term disability insurance. Emergency funds should be able to cover this kind of insurance. Long-term care insurance till a person is 60 years of age, or if a person has a need for long-term care insurance prior to their 60th years of age. Application to new situation. Learning about personal finance has had an impact on my life by changing the course that I was on. I was en route to being bankrupt by 30 years old because my spending habits were out of control. The material put out by Dave Ramsey has changed my life. I was never taught through the church, parents, high school, or going to a Christian college the right way to handle money. Applying the principle to the church. I have applied the principle to my life through Dave Ramsey's principle. He suggests that everybody, while going through the financial peace journey, to donate 10% of income to the local church or a local charity. After I am debt free, I will have more money to send to my local church rather than giving to the government because they are not really well known for doing the right thing with money. I tried to tell everyone who is struggling about how my life has changed after applying these principles to my life. Next step, becoming debt-free. Go to Nashville, Tennessee and do my debt-free screen. Become outrageously generous because I will have no debt payments. Change my family tree by ending a life of debt. Helping others understand of personal finance. I plan to teach an FPU class to change others' lives as mine has been changed. Teach the baby steps to anyone who like to know. Teach my future children how to give, spend, and save money, and give them the personal finance lessons that I was never taught as a child. My children will never see me finance anything or use a credit card. It's doable to live a debt-free lifestyle.